What did the black cat say when the dog ate its Halloween candy? You gotta be kidding me! Stick around to learn how to draw a black cat. Once you've got your paper, pencil, and coloring tools, let's start by drawing the black cat's head and ears. To do this, start by drawing a circle for the head and 2 triangles for the ears. Next, draw 2 wavy lines inside the black cat's ears. Looking good! Let's go ahead and draw the cat's body. Now let's draw the legs. You can take your time on this step. We can't forget the black cat's tail. Last but not least, let's finish our black cat by adding the eyes, nose, mouth, and whiskers. We're all done! Thanks for joining us and happy Halloween! For more directed drawings, head to twinkl.com.